Tips to beat the game in 2019. Hey guys, I'm DonLeon, the Academy of Poker MTT coach. I'm gonna tell you how to crush tournaments in 2019. Today, we'll talk about the right balance between learning and playing, about building a right range on the river, and about the true purpose of bets. To get more tips and interesting content, check out the Academy of Poker website, follow us in Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. You can't master poker without learning. Learning without playing is useless, but also playing without learning doesn't work well. Learning and playing go hand in hand. Without playing, you lose the sense of the game, and without learning, you stop improving and you'll die fameless. If you play a lot, most decisions become automatic. If you play less, even basic decisions take your time. And strong decisions are taking even more time. So, to stay sharp, play regularly. But always leave time for studying. Discuss hands with your friends, watch streams, and work with software. It is important because you have loops and fundamentals. Basic decisions that seem you easy and obvious may be also wrong. You can plug all your leaks at group educational course of the Academy of Poker. At group lectures, we'll talk about the basic fundamentals, about the strategy. In individual lessons, we can talk in person about your leaks and mistakes. Also, a software masterclass will help you with that stuff. To get all the information about that course, just go to the description and make an application. Why do you bet? If you don't understand the true purpose of the bet, whether is it for value or for bluff, don't bet. It is a classic beginner's mistake, but time to time it leaks into the game of the top players. The story is simple. The villain checks on the river and a player bets with a medium strength hand. What is it for? Did the hero think about the structure of the board? What was the action previous streets? What is the image of the opponent? Who cares? Check means weakness, so hero bets and whatever. Then he faced with a re-raise and he gets with a hard decision about calling with a medium pair or an ace-high. Polarize your betting range on the river. The bet should be either for bluff or for value. No something between. If you have a medium strength hand and you're not sure about its strength, just check behind. Remember, with that checking behind, you have no need to protect your equity, cause no cards will be coming on the next street. Bluff early. The earlier the street, the closer are the equities of the hands. So the basic recommendation for that situation is to bluff heavy pre-flop, to bluff less on flop and turn, and to bluff the least on the river. Start making your river range on the flop. To make it optimal, bluff less on each progressive street. Balanced river range is important because the later the street, the bigger the pot. The bigger the pot, the higher the price of the mistake. Have fun! Poker is a game, and it should remain fun. Whether you're a professional or just doing it for fun, good mood and passion to the game makes you closer to the good performance. Vice versa, anger and frustration are moving you away from your A game. If you are not in a good mood, just leave it. Have a rest, recover, and clear the head. You can use this pause to refresh your knowledge and then come back. Poker will be in the same place. Follow these tips and your winnings skyrocket. If you want to get more information, join my educational course and start crushing strong players, weak players, and all between them. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and tap the bell icon. Leave the comments below and I'll answer them all. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. There you can find more tips, more useful strategies and also some fun stuff. That's all for now, but not easy up, the new video is coming. In the next video we'll talk about 3 pre-flop mistakes: limping, ignoring the bet sizing, and plan for a hand. Stay tuned!